So friends, today we are going to do unboxing and setup of this nothing A1. Is really good. This looks like steel on photos or something, right? It's cardboard only. I think it's really good. So this is what you get in the box, right? So yeah, this is it. Let's keep these aside. This is the box, and here you get the cables in these two boxes. This is the box, and this is the box, and this is paperwork. Okay, paperwork in two boxes, cable and all. So yeah, that's it about unboxing and about this. Really stiff, not too heavy, not too light, in the middle, and it has a Type-C charging cable, as you can see. Let me focus. So the Type-C charging cable, this is it. Earphones, and it has that, bump here, as you can see. This looks really good. Hold it or to hold them. So these are the earphones. You can see the size. My hands are not that too big. So this is it, and let's skip to something which is really awesome. So you can see there is nothing branding here, and it is like, you can see, all transparent. Everything you can see in them. All these connections are really like the real connection. They are not something to just show. Inside of earbuds is also reflection. Design is really good. You can see. Yeah, let's try these on. Fix. It looks sexy. Yeah? This is it, and even if wear it to gym, it won't come off. So yeah, this is it, and the cap is really magnetic, you can see. And there's this light, and it's wireless charging as well. The drivers are really good, and I'll be making a full review, uploading it. And this is it.